Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Till now, what we have discussed, that is about algebraic expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions and identities. So far you have discussed, you learned. So far you have discussed and learned in the previous sessions, that is terms and what type of polynomials, that is algebraic expressions are they, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then polynomials, then how to add the terms, how to subtract these terms, algebraic expressions, how to add and subtract, then even you learned how to multiply monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, then monomial to trinomial, and substituting a particular value to the given variable. These are all you have discussed. I hope you are all well known about me, myself, Mr. Nagendra Reddy. Now we are going to continue the part of the algebraic expressions and identities. What so far you have learned from the continuation part, that is multiplication of binomial to binomial. Multiplication of binomial to binomial. What exactly the binomial? Two terms. The expression contain two terms. So algebraic expression which has two terms is called a binomial. So the product of binomial to binomial, multiplication of binomial to binomial, we are going to discuss in this today session. That is multiplication of binomial to binomial. Multiplication of binomial to binomial. Observe it. Binomial means two terms. Again binomial, so two terms. Find the product of, with example, observe it. You already discussed what are the terms. These are all monomial, binomial, trinomial. How to add and how to multiply. These are monomial to binomial, monomial to monomial, monomial to trinomial. In the previous session you learned. In this session we are discussing multiplication of binomial to binomial. So we are multiplying binomial to binomial. Example, find the product or multiply 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 5y. Observe it. 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 5. 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 5. You see here, how many terms are there in this? Two terms are there. And here how many terms are there? Two terms are there. So two terms, an expression with two terms, what do we call? That is a binomial. So binomial to binomial. Binomial to binomial. See here, product 2x plus 3 into 4x plus 5y. The bracket itself indicates, even if you don't write this into, the brackets when you are writing this into this, that itself indicates the product, multiplication. So 2x plus 3 into 4x plus 5. 2x plus 3 into 4x plus 5. Now each and every term of this binomial should be multiplied, each and every term of the second binomial. How many terms are there? Two terms. So each term in this should be multiplied with this. Each term should be multiplied by these terms. Now you see, first what do we have? 2x. So I am taking 2x into, bracket itself indicates, that's what I said, bracket itself indicates multiplication. Bracket itself indicates multiplication. For the first one question I will be writing into, then after You have to habituate that bracket itself indicates multiplication. So 2x into 4x plus 5y. 2x into 4x plus 5. Now, the next one you see, what do you have second term? Plus 3 into 4x plus 5y. 4x plus 5y. Are you following? Now, first term, this into this, 2x into 4x. See, both having same signs. Both the terms are having same signs. 2 into 4. First multiply the numerical terms. Numerical terms is nothing but numbers. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are how much? 8. X into x. X square. You learned in the class 7th also exponents and powers. X power 1, x power 1. A power n plus a power m into a power n will give you a to the power m plus n. So 2 into 4, 8. X into x, 8x square plus 2x into 5y. 2x into 5y. Observe it. 2x into 5y. 2 5s are 10. X into y. 10xy. 2 into 4, 8. X into x square plus 2x into 5y. 2 5s are 10. X into y, xy. Do you understand here? 2 into 4x, 8x square. 2x into 4x, 8x square. 2x into 5y, 10xy. Now look at the second one. Plus, and here also plus. xy plus 12x plus 15y. 15y. I hope you understood how to find out the product, the binomial to binomial. Binomial to binomial. Now we see one more example here. One more example. Observe it. Second example. Example 2. Multiply 2x minus 5y and 4x minus 4x plus 7y. Observe it. 2x minus 5y and 4x plus 7y. Both are binomials. Both are binomials. So you are multiplying binomial to binomial. You are multiplying binomial to binomial. So that is solution. First, what is given? 2x minus 5. How many terms are there? 2 terms. And what is the next term? Into 4x plus 7y. 4x plus 7. Now, first term, from with this you have to multiply both the terms. Then with the minus 5, again you have to multiply these two. With minus 5, you have to multiply these two. Now with 2x into 4x plus 7y. Now including the sign we have to take. What sign it has? Minus 5. So minus 5 into 4x plus 7y. Observe it. Minus 5 into 4x plus 7y. Now, first numerical terms, then variables you have to multiply. Multiply the numbers, then you multiply the variables. That is 2 4s are 8, x into x square. What sign it has? Plus into plus. Plus 2 4 7s are 14, x into y. Observe it. 2x into 7y. 2 4 7s are 14, x into y. xy. Is it clear? You might have learned separately multiplication 2x into 4x plus 2x into 7y. That's what we are doing the same step here. 2x into 4x. 2 4s are 8. X into x square plus 2x into 7y. 2 7s are 14. X into y. xy. Now you see sign. What we have sign here? Minus. What sign here? Plus. Minus into plus. Minus into plus. Minus 5 4s are 20x. 5 4s are 20 and x is there, so 20x. Then again minus into plus. Minus into plus. Minus 5 7s are 35 and y is there, so 35y. 5 7s are 35y. Observe it. 2x with 4x plus 7y with minus 5 into 4x plus 7y. 2 into 4 8x square plus 2 7s are 14, x into y xy. Minus 5 into 4x minus 20x plus into minus 5 7s are 35y. So therefore, is there any like terms to add? There is no like terms, so we can leave the answer like that. Therefore 2x minus 5 into, the bracket itself indicates into 4x plus 7y is equals to 8x square plus 14xy minus 20x minus 35y. 35y. Do you understand how to multiply the binomial to binomial? Each term of the given expression should be multiplied. Each term. See, two terms from the first. In this first term is this, we multiplied both. Again second term, we multiplied both. Then like terms to be added. Like terms can be added or subtracted if any like terms gets in the product. Is it clear? Yeah. Now we see from exercise 9.4, you see the question number 1, multiply the binomials. Multiply the binomials. So in that first question, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 and minus 4x minus 3. Observe it. Binomial to binomial. So 2x plus 5. What we are doing? Multiplication. Multiply the binomial. So into 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3. Binomial 2 terms. Binomial 2 terms. So we are multiplying this into this. As we discussed, each and every term of this binomial should be multiplied by this. Each and every term with this. So first 2x into this. 2x into 4x minus 3. Then what sign you have? Plus 5 into, observe it, 4x minus 3. 5 into 4x minus 3. Now 2 into 4 numerical terms. 2 4s are 8. X into So 2 into 4, how much? 2 into 4, how much? 8. X into x, 8x square. Then plus into minus, minus 2x into 3. Observe it. Plus into minus, minus 2x into 3 will be equal to 6x. 2x into 3, 6x. Then plus into plus. You see here plus, and here also it is having plus sign. Plus into plus, plus 5 fours are 20 and x is there. 5 into 4, 5 into 4x. What do you call when you are multiplying? In the binomial we are operating the system of monomial to monomial. Like first term, one term into first term. 5 into 4, monomial, monomial. Are you following? This is the monomial. If you take only one term. So 5 into 4x, 20x. Then plus into minus, minus 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now you see, is there any like terms? Like terms means, you know, we already discussed in the previous sessions. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Like terms can be added or subtracted. What are the like terms? Yes, one is 6x and 20x. Do they have same signs? No, one is having minus, one is having plus. So 8x square minus 6x plus 20. You see the integers operation again. Integers operation. When you have two different signs, ignore the sign, subtract and keep bigger number sign for the result. Ignore the signs, subtract from bigger to smaller, and for the result keep bigger number sign. So this is minus 6x plus 20 minus 6 will give you 14. See 20 and 6 subtracting because two different signs are there. Subtract. So 20 minus 6, that is 14, which has bigger number, plus 14x, then minus 15. Therefore the product 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3 is equals to 8x square plus 14x minus 15. I hope you understood how to add the like terms in the product when you obtain after getting the result. The product in that like terms how to add and subtract. Now we go to the next question. That is question number in bit number 4, a plus 3b and x plus 5. Here given that those two terms a plus 3b into x plus 5. How many terms are there? Two terms, binomial. So each and every term in this should be multiplied by this, and each every term in this should be multiplied by this 3b. So first a into x plus 5. Then what sign you have? Plus 3b into, now what do you have again? X plus 5. So a into x. You see here, no need to write the step again. A into x, a into 5. In spite of writing that step, directly we are doing a into x. You are multiplying two algebraic two variables. A into x, ax, plus into plus a into 5 into a, 5a, plus into plus 3b into x. Here no number. This what is the coefficient here? If you don't have any number, it indicates as 1x. So 3b into 1x, 3b into 1x. Here also same thing. 1a into 1x. 1 ones are 1. A into x, ax. 1 ones are 1. A into ax. 1ax. That meaning is that. So here the coefficient is 1. 3b into 1x. 3bx. So 3bx plus into plus 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. What do you have? 3b into 5. 3 5s are 15b. Is there any like terms to be added or subtracted? No like terms. Therefore, a plus 3b 5 is equals to ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 15b. If you have like terms, then you have to simplify. Is it clear? Is it clear how to multiply? In spite of writing, even in the before examples also what we have discussed, in spite of writing again 2x into 4x, 2x into minus 3, we are doing 2x into 4x, 2x into 3 minus 3, that is 6x, like this. Similarly in this. Now we go to the next question. 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. So here 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. Observe it. So first 2pq into this binomial. So 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square. Then next term is what? Plus 3q square. So right, plus 3q square into what is that term? 3pq minus 2q square. 3pq minus 2q square. 3pq minus 2q square. Now you see here, first multiply the numerical term along with that algebraic terms that are variables. So 2 3s are 6 and both having plus sign only. 2 3s are 6. P into P, P square. Q into Q, Q square. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, like that. P into P, P square. Q into Q, Q square. Then plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are, see the numerical terms first. 2 2s are 4. Then P into Q square, Q. 2 2s are, here it is plus sign, plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4. Here we have only P, no Q. I mean P. Here we don't have P. So P, Q into Q square. Here 2 power 2 and here power 1. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So P 4 P Q power 3. Now plus into plus. Plus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Q square P Q. First we write P, then Q square into Q. Q to the power 3. Observe it. First I wrote the variable P because we don't have P over here. Then Q square into Q. Q to the power 3. Here power 2 and here power 1. A power m into A power n. A power m plus n. So A power m plus n. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 3. See, plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6. Now Q square and Q square. Here 2 and there also 2. Q square into Q square. Total how many Q's? 4. So Q to the power 4. Q to the power 4. Now you see, in this any like terms are there, you have to simplify. Is there any like term which is having squares? No. So first term will come as it is 6p square Q square minus 4 plus 9. Do we have any? Here you see, this is minus P. When you multiply, here P and here Q. When you multiply this P and Q. So these two are the like terms. These two are the like terms. Here one P, P. Q power 3, Q power 3. Minus 4 plus 9 will give you how much? Integer operation again. Subtract and keep bigger number sign. 5 P Q power 3. Here subtracting the numerical coefficients. Minus 4 plus 9. Because the variables are same. Variables are same. So plus 5p q power 3 minus 6q to the power 4. Therefore 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square is equal to, I am writing down the space answer, 6p square q square plus 5p q power 3 minus 6q to the power 4. Is it clear? How to multiply binomial to binomial? Do not forget the signs. While multiplying, first multiply the numerical coefficients along with the variable. Along with the variable. Is it clear, children? Yeah, I hope you understood what we have discussed in the today's session. Finding product, multiplying binomial to binomial. So here we have some homework questions from exercise 9.4, page number 148. Page number 148, exercise 9.4. Question number 1, second and third bit. Question number 2, first and second bit. Even question number 2 is also similar how I explained with the example as well as from the first question. So both the question, exercise 9.4, question number 1, these 2 bits, and question number 2 is similar way in this. So I am giving only two bits from that, first and second. I hope children, I hope you understood what we have discussed in this today's session. So we'll continue in the next question, next session. Thank you.